In today's video, we're going to be looking at the differences between the Mini 3 Pro and the Mini 4 Pro to help you make up your mind which one's right for you. Hey everyone, how you all doing? Hope you're all tickety-boo. You'll find part 1 to this video where we look at the actual physical differences between these side by side on the channel, or there'll be a link up here somewhere. And this is part 2 where we're actually going to get out and about in the field testing the performance of the cameras and all the other bits and bobs. But we're never going to do that in here. So let's get ourselves down to the beach. So here we are down on Exmouth beach, one of my favourite spots for flying the drone. I come down really early in the morning so you've got nobody around, or very few people around anyway. But first off, before we look at the cameras themselves, let's have a look at the tracking on this little beauty, because the Mini 4 Pro has come on leaps and bounds from the Mini 3 Pro. First off, here's the Mini 3. You get a choice of trace on there, where it'll follow you from behind, like this, and it does a pretty good job. I was going between 10 and 20 mile an hour on the Super 73, but as you can see, it did lose me a couple of times and it couldn't keep up. Now, it also does parallel. That's one of my favourite ones because it shows the scene and things like that and you from the side. But even though I can get it to work by starting off gently, and it can be a bit temperamental, but as you can see, it does an okay job. Now then, the Mini 4 Pro. So it will do parallel tracking, which is, or was, one of my favourite ones. It seems to do a better job than Mini 3, sticking with me, as you can see here. And again, I was going between 10 and 20 mile an hour. But this is a game changer, and it's something that no other DJI drone has got, including my Mavic 3 Pro. It will trace just in the same way, but you can choose whether you want it on the side, whether you want it on the front, or whether you want it at the back, wherever you like it. But as you can see, it's got this interface here on the controller where you can set up some moves to make it rotate around you, and it can even change the distance it is from you. Check out some of these bits I did. I bloody well love it. Okay, let's get into the video footage then. But rather than listen to my dulcet tones, what I'm going to do is play a variety of shots on both of these little beauties along the beach and then play them side by side. Most of them will be in normal colour mode, but I have done a couple of shots in D-Cine like the 10-bit D-Log-M plus HLG. And after that, what we're going to do is check out the slow motion on the Mini 4 Pro, because it can now do 100 FPS in 4K and 200 FPS in HD, whereby the Mini 3 Pro can only do 120 FPS in HD. I hope you enjoy these bits. there you go. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you've got any questions whatsoever, leave them down there as well, and I'll get back to you, or any different tests you want me to try out. Plus, I'm going to have other bits and bobs coming along, like filters and cases and stuff like that. So if you're interested in them, you know what to do. So if you found this useful in any way, shape or form, do all that usual YouTube stuff. And I'd strongly recommend that you check out this video over here, whereby you can see the physical differences between these two little beauties side by side. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe out there, and keep creating, have fun, and above all, have a bloody smile on your face. See ya.